Wi-Fi disabled problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can solve the Wi-Fi disabled problem on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your Wi-Fi is disabled due to some weird reasons, let's say for example for whatever reasons, first of all you have to check whether it is only disabled in your device or other devices, because if the Wi-Fi is not working on all of your devices, it means that the problem is with the internet service provider. So you might want to contact the customer care depending upon the ISP that you use. But if your Wi-Fi is working on one of your devices but not on the other devices, in that case what you can basically try to do is just open up your Wi-Fi menu settings over here. The first thing we're going to do is just simply go ahead and then basically forget and disconnect from this particular Wi-Fi. So we will tap the forget option here, and once done you can just try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. So just try to forget it if you like. Once you do that, you can just try connecting to the Wi-Fi to see if that helps you solve the problem. Turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi again, or you can just go ahead and then basically choose to restart your device as well. So this way you should be able to fix Wi-Fi disabled problem on Android. But as I said, in most of the times the problem could be with the router or your internet service provider and not necessarily your Android device. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.